Welcome to Outdoor World in Tsawwassen Mills, located in Delta, near Vancouver. This massive store is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and offers a wide variety of gear and experiences for adventurers of all kinds. As you step inside, you're immediately greeted by a grand entrance that sets the tone for what's to come: nature-themed decor, impressive wildlife displays, and a warm, rustic atmosphere. One of the highlights is the large freshwater aquarium filled with native fish species. Around the store, you'll also see decorative animals like moose, buffalo, bears, and birds that make the space feel like a wilderness museum. Don't miss the full-size taxidermy bear. It's one of the most iconic photo spots in the store. Next, we move to the industrial kitchen section, where you'll find professional-grade cooking tools, perfect for outdoor grilling, camp kitchens, or rustic home cooking. For hunting enthusiasts, there is a large section dedicated to firearms, ammunition, and hunting accessories. Please note, all firearm purchases follow strict Canadian regulations. The store features a wide variety of hunting and outdoor apparel, perfect for all weather conditions and terrains. You'll also find casual clothing like graphic t-shirts, hoodies, and hats. Heading toward the boating section, you'll discover a wide selection of tracker boats, canoes, and gear for all kinds of water adventures. Next, we explore the four-wheelers and ATVs section, where you'll find rugged outdoor vehicles built for off-road fun and practical transportation on wild terrain. If you're into fishing, this is the place to be. From rods and reels to bait, tackle, and coolers, there's everything a fishing enthusiast could need. The barbecue and camping section is stocked with everything from portable grills and smokers to tents, sleeping bags, and camping tools. Outdoor World is part of the Bass Pro Shops family, one of North America's most famous outdoor retailers. The store's design reflects a deep passion for nature, wildlife, and outdoor culture. And remember, everything you saw today is just a small part of what this store has to offer. There are many other sections we didn't get to cover in this video. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to like, subscribe to Mastravel24, and leave a comment below. See you in the next journey.